excellent. Just hey, please, please. Before you guys come at me with any form of weapons, I just want to go to Austria. Please, I just want to go to Austria. I just want to be where I'm at now, in Austria, because it's always one of my dreams to be in Austria. To be honest, I'm from Jamaica though, where no form of Austria actions are taking place. So in fact, Jamaica is just Jamaica. And if you guys do know Bob Marley, yeah, Bob Marley is from Jamaica. And yet also, if you guys do know Usain Bolt, yes, he's the fastest man in the entire world. He's also from Jamaica. So the reason why I'm stopping by right now is because I never yet heard an Austrian music played in Jamaica where I could say, hey, I love this type of song. This type of song is amazing. I never heard, or I'm not really omnipresent to say, hey, it's playing all over the entire country. I'm not sure. But if this song has no fans, when it comes on to being in Jamaica, well, I'll be the first. Right? I'll be the first. So this is why I want to just be a part of you guys' country, culture, and heritage. So can you guys please spare me a little bit of time, even though I'm a stranger? Please spare me a little bit of time. I just want to hear what Kaleen, We Will Rave sounds like. Because as I said, Austrian music doesn't really play in my country, so I just want to learn more. I just want to experience more what you guys' music sounds like. So this is my first time hearing of Kaleen and their song called We Will Rave. So guys, please accept me just for today. And if you guys do accept me whenever time I returned, I would really love that. I want to be away from my country just for now, just to be in Austria to hear you guys' music. Guys, without further ado, let's go. Let's see what's up in Austria. Peace.
Ice running through my veins. You just did it again.
Wow. Well. Beautiful voice. Beautiful woman. Beautiful song. Beautiful personality. I gotta say, you Austrians are really cool, bro. To be honest, I love it. I love the coolness. Right? Let's continue. This is giving me a very great vibe already, so I want to hear more.
Go, 'cause I can't be your friend. I'm cold, but this is not the end. So I go where the broken hearted go. No one knows a thing about my haunted soul.
Well, if this is what we call Austrian music, it is way too energetic. And I have no problem with that. Right? The energizing situation of this music, of this performance, of this woman is superb. Beautiful, just beautiful. If this is what the Austrian music is like in Austria, I love it. I want to be a part of it. I want to continue to listen to it. So, nevertheless, you guys have earned a fan. Amazing.
Wanna dance it off alone. I won't let it show, they will never know. When the darkness hits and we can't be saved, we run me down, we will rage.
Wow, beautiful, just beautiful. The vocals are amazing. Her personality is cute. Right? Her face is amazing. I gotta say, lovely. Just lovely. And when people can sing really good, I embrace their music because it's not everyone out there in the world that can sing as any Austrian person can. And I do appreciate any form of music because it's not everyone out there in the world can sing. But people love to make criticism about the person's voice or what the person can do, but yet still they can't even do better, right? So music is essential. And once we have that essential moment of music, let's embrace it, let's love it, let's have it for our own because music doesn't stop at one man's doorstep, right? Music is a worldwide thing and we should love music, bro. Especially for the Austrian music, quite remarkable.
When our hearts are burning, we feel no pain. We run the dum dum dum, we will rave. We run the dum dum dum. We run the dum dum dum, we will rave. We run the dum dum dum, we will rave. We will rave, 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 rave.
Well, well, okay. Okay, this is giving me a soca vibe. This is really extravagant. Amazing. Just amazing. With all the beat, with all the movement, with instrumental that is being making this song sound so cool and amazing. Superb. A solid 10 for me right now. Wow, amazing. I gotta say, I love the Austrian music thus far. If this is a song that really sung by someone in the Austrian country, then I can guarantee that all the Austrian artists in Austria have something similar, but way more cooler. Because this is just one person, right? And she's Kaleen. But what about the other artists? I gotta say, lovely music, lovely country, amazing personalities, guys. Keep it up. I love it.
See only silhouettes. I just wanna forget about everything we said and the demons in my head. So I go, go, go where the broken hearted go. No one knows a thing about my hearted soul.
Whoa! Well. Superb. Amazing. Right? With the energy that is being coming from this music video, it's quite energetic. Lovely. Lovely, but superbly amazing.
I go, oh, oh, wanna dance it off alone. I won't let it show, they will never know. When the darkness hits and we can't be saved, we run the dum dum dum, we will rave. When our hearts are burning, we feel no pain. We run the dum dum dum, we will rave. We run the dum dum dum, we will rave.
Woo! Excellent. Just excellent. I gotta say, compliments on the video. It's amazing. With all the choreography, the video writing skills, the director that direct this music video, excellent job. With the female of the artist, amazing. We will rate. Beautiful. Just the instrumental is amazing. It's fire. It's totally fire. It's hot. It's totally hot. It's hot tool.
When the darkness hits and we can't be saved, we will rave. When our hearts are burning, we feel no pain. We will rave.
I gotta say, she's one of the best singers I've heard in this competition here thus far. Excellent. She's excellent though. She should keep up the good work at all cost. Well done, well done, well done. I gotta say, this was an excellent performance, excellent song, energetic performance. So guys, if you guys did enjoy this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.